Hello guys, Matthew here from UChat. So in today's video, we are going to talk about very useful add-ons for UChat partners. Okay, it's called user permission add-on. Same, if you go to your partner settings, go to custom add-ons, you will find this user permission add-ons. Okay, so it's a one-time payment. You can see the price, and after you purchase, it will available to every workspace and your own custom domain. So we often get a question like, okay, I want to add a user, but I do not want the user to access certain part of the workspace. Okay. Even though we already have different roles in our system, we have the owners, we have the admin, we have members, we have live chat agent supervisor, we have live chat agent. Okay, so these different these different roles, they have the predefined access. Okay, but if you want a personalized access for each user, and then you will need these user permissions. Okay, so let me show you what kind of the customizations you can have, and then you can decide whether this is a good options for you or not. Okay, so after purchase the user permissions, you can have access to the settings. Click the settings, you will see every changes you need to make is basically, this option is available at workspace settings members. That will be an extra options for each member. Okay, and then you can control the access. So let me show you a quick example. Okay, and you can go to workspace settings, go to members. You will see this is our defined rules. Okay, and for example, this is the member. Even two different users, they are at the same member role, but you can still give them different permissions. Okay, that's why this permission add-on is at the user level. Okay, it's not at that role level. Click this, you can see this is all the options we have. Okay, so navigation bar, create workspace. So by default, every user, they can create a new workspace, right? So sometimes we have the customers, they have the live chat agent, they do not want them to actually create a new workspace, right? So you can just simply move them to disable. Okay, that will disable this for that particular user. Okay, same for the navigation bar live chat, that options in here. And also in the live chat, you can actually control, do you want them to upload the files or not? Or do you just want them to use the files you already have in your library, right? You can also hide Omni-Channel, also the agent group chat channel. You can also, hide the bots section so that they doesn't have access to the bots at all. Okay, and they can just focusing on the live chat agent. Okay, for the analytics, you can also have them template store, custom menus, and also if you allow them to have access to the bots, you can still control which part of the bot you do not want them to have access. For example, you do not want them to access to the flows so that they cannot see your automation logic. Okay, you can hide the automations, you can hide the boards, you can hide the bot users, so that they didn't have access to your contact database, right? So same with the broadcast tools, content settings, web chat widget, all these you can personalize at the user level. Okay, and also we have introduced a new feature that is called tickets, right? So people are create different different ticket list. So if you want them to only access to the list, that is, how do I say? If you want them to access particular list, you can do that. You can do that with the user permissions. Okay, you can just simply disable or hide the other list from their view. That's how you can control that. Okay, and also we have a different features that is only available for the live chat agent. So for example, previously we get the questions, okay, this agent only handles this bot. Can I do that? Okay, now you can do that. Okay, this is only available for the live chat agent role. So if you click the permissions, you can see this is all the bot is in your workspace. Okay, if you want them to only access to this, you can just simply move or disable all the other bots from this left list. And then when the user live chat agent, when they click the live chat, they will not see all the bots. Okay, they will only see the bot that is assigned to them. Okay, so that's how you can control the access of the bot. Okay, that's a very useful permission control. It's only available for the live chat agent role. Okay, and yeah, so we will keep adding different options, depending on our partner needs. And yeah, we will add more permissions, fragment permission controls in here. Okay, yeah, so I think that is a very useful add-ons, and it's make it flexible, very flexible, and you can actually customize the access for each individual user. Okay, it's very flexible to use. And yeah, if you like this feature, if you think this will help you selling this to your customers, you can purchase these add-ons at one-time payment. It will be available to all the workspace and your own custom domain. See you in the next video.